In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar. We'll use Zapier to automatically add a calendar event every time you create a new task in Microsoft To Do. This saves you from double entry and keeps deadlines visible on your schedule. First, open Zapier and sign in. From your dashboard, create a new Zap. For the trigger, search for Microsoft To Do and select it as the app. When Zapier asks which event should start the automation, choose New Task. This fires whenever a fresh task is added to your to-do lists, making it perfect for capturing new commitments right away. Connect your Microsoft account. Approve the requested permissions so Zapier can read new tasks from your workspace. If you manage more than one account or tenant, make sure you connect the one that holds your tasks. Next, set up the action. Search for Google Calendar and choose it as the action app. Pick the calendar you want Zapier to use for new events so everything lands in the right place. Now decide between Quick Add Event and Create Detailed Event. Quick Add is the fastest. You type one line and Google parses the details. Create Detailed Event gives you explicit fields for start time, end time, and description. If you want reliable timing, prefer Detailed Event. For simple due dates, Quick Add is fine. Map your fields. Take the task title from Microsoft To Do and drop it into the Google Calendar title or summary field. Map the due date to the start date and, if available, the end date. If your task only has a date and no time, set a default time in the action so events don't land at midnight. You can also map notes to the description and include the task link if Zapier provides it. Double check your time zone and date format. Zapier usually converts them correctly, but it's worth verifying. Run a test. Zapier will pull a recent Microsoft To Do task and create a draft event in your chosen Google Calendar. Open the calendar to confirm that the title, date, and any notes appear correctly. If something looks off, return to the action setup and adjust your field mapping. When you're happy, publish the Zap to start automatic syncing. From now on, every new Microsoft To Do task will create a matching Google Calendar event, keeping your tasks and schedule in sync without any manual work. That's it, your automation is live. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more connected workflow.